Okay, so now that you know all about speed, I want to tell you that speed is a scalar quantity. So it only needs magnitude, it doesn't have direction. Velocity is a vector quantity, and remember vector quantities have magnitude plus direction. So velocity is speed plus the direction that you're going. Speed simply tells you how fast you're going, 30 miles per hour. It's a scalar quantity, no direction is involved. Velocity is a vector quantity, it says how fast you're going and what direction. Doesn't always have to be north, south, east, or west. You could say 30 miles per hour towards the mall. Now if I know where you live, where you're coming from, that's enough. You could say 45 miles per hour up, 60 miles per hour north, 47 miles per hour southeast. So you can use north, south, east, and west, but there's other directions you can use in addition to just those four. So velocity, speed, plus direction. Constant velocity. So if you have constant velocity, this should sound really familiar to you. Constant speed, you're not speeding up, you're not decreasing, and a straight line. Path does not curve. Do you remember something we talked about earlier where we said you had to have constant speed and a straight line? Do you remember what that was called? Constant speed and a straight line? It was called dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium. And so that was a vector, this is a vector. Constant speed, no speeding up or slowing down, and you need to travel in a straight line. So now that we know what constant velocity is, let's talk about changing velocity. So how do you change your velocity? You change one of two things. Either you change your speed, so you can slow up or speed down. There's slow up or go slower or go faster. Or you can change direction. So if you're going and you make a turn around a curve and you don't change your speed, you've still changed your velocity because you've changed your direction. Or you could change both. And we generally do that when we turn a corner in a car, we slow down and turn. So we're changing our speed and our direction. We are changing our velocity. In a car, there's three things that I'm pretty familiar with that will allow you to change your velocity. One is the gas pedal, the accelerator. One is that. That will allow you to change your speed. One is the brake. That also allows you to change your speed. And the third one is the steering wheel. The steering wheel lets you change directions. So if you're in a car and you use any of those, you're probably changing your velocity. Now, I know you have to keep on your accelerator, on your gas pedal because of friction, but we're talking about constant speed, so watch that speedometer. Anytime you see that speedometer number change, you're changing velocity. Anytime your direction changes, you're also changing you're also changing velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity, speed is a scalar quantity.